Hello everyone, we are group Y3-05 and we are here to present our project PetBay, which is a unified pet care system including a pet breed recommendation system. First, let's look into the table of contents. First, we are going to talk about the problem. Next, the solution, moving on with the business plan, revenue streams, technology overview, and finally the demonstration. First, let's look into the problem of our project.
After much research, we found that pet owners and enthusiasts have various requirements for pet care solutions. These needs include pet breed recognition, recommendation, lost and found services, pet record maintenance, and pet care community. The lack of a single platform providing this comprehensive set of features forces users to switch between various platforms to satisfy each requirement. This fragmented approach breaks up the continuity of their routine for pet care. It adds to the expenses of paying separate subscription for every app, especially those who looking for premium features.
After thorough research, the project team was able to successfully implement the solution for this application. The PetBay application introduces a pet recommendation feature for pet owners and enthusiasts to find the perfect pet companion. Users can get a recommendation by specifying their preferred pet breed and characteristics through the system. The application allows users to set preferences using a rating system. Users can upload a clear image of their pet to the system. Then the system meticulously analyzes the image and predicts the pet breed using machine learning and CNN techniques. After that, the expected breed will be displayed to the user. The user will also be able to get a recommendation from the uploaded image. Other than these features, we have also implemented the features like pet record maintenance, pet lost and found, reminders, and a pet community.
Moving on to the business canvas model. The business canvas model is an easy breakdown structure for a revenue generating business idea. It helps the developers to clearly understand the key factors that need emphasis. Here we have some of the main key factors such as the key partnerships with mainly our consumer end and the value propositions with the features the developer application provides the user. The business canvas model also focuses on some of the crucial aspects such as the cost structure, helping us to keep note on where to allow and cut the currency flow, which makes help maximum profits. Finally, to conclude with, the business canvas model also includes the channels that can be used to market and access the developed application.
Let's go through the revenue stream of the PetBay. Firstly, subscription plans. PetBay comes in handy with 3 subscription plans, starting off with a free plan which has a limited number of features. Moving up to the standard plan, which has a set of reasonable features for the price that the user pay. And finally, Pro plan, which gives the maximum usage of the application. Then there are investors who provide capital with the exception of earning a return on their investment to our application. Partnerships gives us a benefit to grow in the market and outpace the competition along with capturing and enhancing the market differentiators. Finally, we have advertisements, which precise targeting options and global reach. Now let's jump into tools and technologies.
We used React.js as our front-end technology and Node.js as our back-end technology. The Flask was used to deploy the machine learning model. We used Python language to develop the machine learning model and used Keras and TensorFlow as our deep learning libraries. We used Firebase services such as Firestore to store data and cloud storage to store resources. The CI/CD part was done by using GitHub Actions and Docker. The web application has deployed in an AWS EC2 instance. The team used GitHub as the version control system. The Visual Studio Code was used as the IDE to implement the front end and back end. We used Google Colabs to implement the machine learning model. Finally, Jira was our project management tool.
Next, we will look into a quick demo of the PetBay application. So let's first jump into a new Chrome tab. So first, we can load the PetBay application by going to the site. The PetBay application will start off with the login page. So before starting off with the demonstration, let me consider myself as a new user who is looking for a new pet to adopt. So as a new user to the system, I will have to create a new account. So for that, I will click on the sign up button. Sign up button will redirect us to a sign up form. So we can give our details and create an account. So let me create a new account. After giving all the details, we can click on the sign up button. Sign up button will redirect us to a let's sign up. Let's finish sign up page. So basically we can give all the user details here. So I can give the first name and my last name, subscription plan, and the payment method. So once all done, we can finish the sign up by clicking the button. After creating the user account and giving all the details, we will be redirected to the landing page or the home page of the PetBay application. So let's scroll down and let's see what is there in the landing page. First, we can see our service section, which specifies all the services that PetBay delivers. So PetBay delivers a community, lost and found, post feed, and a breed recommendation system, and a pet profiles and pet records maintenance system, pet reminders. So let's scroll down a bit. You can see the subscription plans as well. So that's the end of the landing page. So as a new user to the system who is looking to adopt a pet, so the first thing we need to clarify is what is the ideal breed or what is the ideal pet for us. So for that, we can choose pet recommendation first. So let's see. So when we redirect to the pet recommendation page, you can see we can upload an image and get a predict and can predict the breed and get a recommendation, a personalized one for you. So let's upload an image from Google. So I'll download this image, F1 screenshot. Let's try to upload that by drag and dropping. You can see the breed is correctly predicted. So you can do this with another feature, another dog breed as well. So let's see. Yeah, so it's a beagle and it's generated fine. So once we predict the breed, uh, which you like or which you identified or seems liking, so you can generate a recommendation personalized for you. So you can click on this recommendation. So as you can see, as a new user, you haven't set your preferences for a particular breed. So it says, please set your breed preferences by taking the quiz. So once you click OK, you will be redirected to a quiz. Basically, this quiz will be used to identify your preferences for breed characteristics and store it as a user rating in a system. So as you can see, there are questions like how important is it for your ideal dog breed to adapt well to apartment living? So basically, this characteristic is about adapting well to apartment living. So you can answer this question By clicking on the options, it will store your rating. So I will quickly finish this quiz. We have 11 questions here. Once we are done with the quiz, you can simply click on the finish button and it will redirect you again to the uploading image page. So let's upload the image again. So we have the beagle here. We can generate a recommendation by clicking this. As you can see, you can get an overall matching percentage for this breed beagle. So 71% is the overall matching percentage for me to breed beagle. So when you scroll down, you can see an image and overview of the breed. Scrolling down further, you can get a detailed description of the particular breed. By clicking on the comparison tab here, you can see there is matching percentage for each characteristics. So let's check one. So user ratings are the ratings that you provided by taking the quiz. So for an example, adapts well to apartment living. My user rating is 3. However, the Beagle's rating, actual rating is 4. So that means the matching percentage is 80%. So for each and every characteristics, a matching percentage will be generated and accordingly a indication will be given. As you can see, for less matching percentage, it shows warnings and green color for good ones, perfect ones, and 40% or the middle ones so in another sign. So this is breed recommendation. So for more understanding, let's generate another breed recommendation as well. So let's check for this breed, border collie. Let's generate a recommendation. As you can see, it's 76%. And you have a different matching percentages for this breed. So I have identified border collie is a good fit for me as it has a 76% of overall matching percentage. So for now, as a user, I will log out from the system and ideally I will go and adopt a border collie puppy. So once it's done, I can come again to the system and I can log in again. This is for checking the login mechanism as well. So once we log in, as we now have a puppy adopted, so the ideal thing is to create a pet profile for our newly adopted puppy. For that, we have a option called My Pets. So we can go to My Pets. Then you can see there is no pets available as of now. So we can add a newly adopted puppy by clicking this image. So let me give a name. Let's give Effie. So the breed name is Border Collie. I'll give that. And the gender, I'll give male, and I'll give a address also, and we'll give age. So if I try to submit without filling any of these fields, it will throw an error because all the details are required. So proper validations are here. So we'll quickly fill out this form. So we have to upload an image as well. So we'll do this. And by click add button, your new puppy FE will be added. So it gives a loading screen for more user experience and user interface enhancements. So once the new pet or the puppy is added to our system, you can see a new profile is generated. You can see the pet profile details by clicking the name of the pet. So once you click on that, you can see the image is there. Overall details is also there. Address, breed, male, gender, all the stuff is there. So once we adding a pet profile to our system, the next thing a user or I want to do is maintain my pets records efficiently, like vaccination records or any certifications that's there. So PetBay provides an option to add pet records. So as you can see, as of now, there are no pet records. So let's quickly add one. We can give name for the record and the date. I'll give today. So for this section, we can upload any file. So let's try to add a PDF and click on the add button. As you can see, the record has been added. So let's say you want to view the record. So what you have to simply do is click on the view button. So it will open a new tab and you can see the record that you have just uploaded. So also you can delete the records as well by simply clicking on the delete button. As you can see, the record is deleted. So after adding pet profile and the records, the next thing what I want to do is keep a track of the reminders for my pets. Let's say I have an appointment for FE with the doctor. So PetBay provides a handy feature called reminders. So when you navigate to the reminder, as of now, I'm a new user. I don't have any reminders added. So let's add a reminder first. So you can click on the pet's name. A list will be pop out of all your pets. Then we can add a reminder's name. Let's add vet's appointment. So for the demonstration of the how the reminder works, how the alerts come, I will choose 3:35, 1 minute ahead of the current time. The reminder is added. As you can see, the vet's appointment reminder is there. So let's wait until 15:35 to check how the reminders functionality works. As you can see, we are getting an alert called reminders works. So basically this is the vet's appointment reminder of FE. So the reminders are done, pet profiles and record maintenance also done. So a next thing what a pet owner is want to do is getting advisors or tips for maintain their pet or to enhance the pet's life easier. So what the PetBay has implemented is a pet community. So basically, pet community is a community forum that users can interact. So as you can see, there are users who have posts in the community. Also, users can interact with each other by commenting on pause. So let's add a quick pause. Let's try to pause this. Pause is added. Let's check. So as you can see, under my name, a new post has been added. So I can also comment on other people's posts as well. So let's say Somhin Ratnaika is looking for a suggestion for his pet. So we can give a name, Jenny. So as you can see, the comment has been posted. So all the validations are here also done. So let's see, you can see you cannot publish a post with an empty field. So validations are done in the entire PetBay prototype. So this is the community feature. So let's move on to the next one. So the common problem that we have identified in current societies is losing or missing the pets. So for tackle that issue, we have identified created a lost and found post field. So basically, users can add lost and found post. So as you can see, we have a found post for a puppy called Robin, and we have a lost post to a puppy called Jenny. So let's say you have found a puppy, someone's puppy. So you want to add a uh, found post. What you have to do is click on this, and you can just fill out the form. Let's say we'll give a name called maybe Cleo, maybe a Shih Tzu. Can give a color and a gender. So you can give a lost or found area as well. Found date and the found time, exact time. Then a features of the found or lost pet. Let's say can give a black color, gray fur, something like that, and a contact number. So you can also upload an image of the pet as well. So let's do that. Let me quickly find a Shih Tzu's image. There you go. So we can simply click on add button, and it will give the loading animation. So let's see if the post has been added. So the another handy feature is you can filter out the post. So we had a found post. Let's filter by found post. Scroll down. You can see the Cleo's post is there. You can click on view details and check the post as well. So this is very handy when it comes for finding the lost pets. So these are the most handy and the popular features that we have identified during our design phase. So all the 6 features are implemented. So this comes to an end of the PetBay prototypes demonstration. So we'll log out from the system. So as I said, the demonstration is done. So let's move on forward. So let me introducing the amazing team that built the PetBay prototype. Lochan Disanayaga, Lion Anjula, Samir Sandinu, Sakit Fernando, and myself, Dilakshan Chanse. So this comes to an end of our presentation. So thank you for joining in to witness the amazing features and functionalities of PetBay application. Thank you.